Plume, Banjo parts, necks and pots, 2018. Still, the lovely sounds of somebody playing the piano. Oh, these are made out of banjo heads. This was made by Bland Hoke. 2014 artist Bland Hoke commissioned to make a work of temporary public art to celebrate the IBMAs. This contemporary bandstand was created from hundreds of cast-off banjo parts provided by Deering and served as a gathering and performance space. 80-foot tall, 1-ton sculpture, this piece is inspired by the iconic feather in Sir Walter Raleigh's hat. This is the feather on his hat.